To calibrate camera on POCO M8 5G, start by opening the settings, open About Phone, and now you have to go into detailed info and specification, open it. Then you have to simply go into the kernel version. You have to just quickly keep tapping on this one. And right now we have to click on the three dots in the right upper corner, go to the camera sensor calibration, and now as you can see you have to click on the capture button. And now the testing steps. First we have to click the capture button. It will auto save picture after capture, and now according to the message to calibration we have to click the pass button after calibration success. So getting pictures was success, we can begin calibration. So click here, and now as you can see in my case it's actually failed. I probably just moved my phone. So we can basically try to do this one more time, but you have to make sure that you are not moving your phone. Yeah, for me it's not working for some reason. Let me know how it looks in your case. Thanks for watching this video.